Hey audio enthusiasts! Today, we're unboxing the H40. A 4-inch 2-way coaxial full-range speaker system, a top-notch choice for upgrading your car audio. First of all, these speakers come as a pair. Also, mesh steel grills are included. Let's dig into what it offers. They feature a responsive polypropylene cone and a UV-treated foam surround, which work together to deliver clear and crisp sound. There's also a dynamically balanced 1/2-inch PEI tweeter for those high-frequency details, and an integrated crossover with tweeter protection to keep things in check. Now let's talk power. The power rating is 50 WRMS with a max of 150 W. So whether you're just cruising and listening casually or want to crank up the volume for a more immersive experience, it can handle it. The frequency response is 85 Hz to 20 kHz, covering a wide spectrum from deep bass to sharp highs. The nominal impedance is 4 ohms, a common and compatible value for car setups. In terms of the build, there are neodymium tweeter magnets and a strontium ferrite woofer magnet, enhancing the audio performance. The powder-coated, rigid stamped steel basket ensures durability. For the size specs, the mounting depth is 46 mm. This dimension makes it a suitable fit for many car audio setups. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio, the H40 is well worth considering. It combines quality build features and solid specs to take your listening experience up a notch. Stay tuned for more unboxings and audio tips. See you!